Hello. Day 7. My first Monday cocktail. Mondays are a long day. The child goes to grandma's house after school. Hello. How are you? So, this is my first Monday. I'm a bit tired, but I'm gonna make a cocktail. I'm gonna get through it. This is actually, I can't believe it's taken me 7 days to use. Still need to buy myself some of your gin. You do, definitely. Do we still have a FS 20 or a ship 30? You can get free shipping for our coffee liqueur using the code I need coffee, or you can get free shipping with ship 30 for anything. Don't tell anybody though. That's just for you. Hi Veronica. Hi Chris.
No, not ship 30.
Hi Carrie. Not ship 30?
FS 2020.
FS 2020. Anyway, so I am about to make kind of a Negroni-ish. You didn't miss it. I am just starting. Hi Martin. Hello. Cool. Okay, I'm feeling the energy. I was a little feeling down, but now I'm seeing these friendly faces pop up, and I'm gonna make my cocktail. So it's got Campari, and it's got sweet vermouth, and it's got gin. So it's definitely Negroni, but it's a little less Campari and a little less vermouth, and I also add our chocolate liqueur. So it's kind of a chocolate raspberry Negroni. The chocolate is sweet, but it's not as sweet as a lot of other chocolatey things that are out there. Kind of just gives it that a background cocoa flavor. The raspberry is raspberry and cardamom, so the cardamom really gives it a dry note. So it's not a super sweet cocktail. It is strong, it is lovely. I just invented it by mistake recently because we didn't have any of our regular gin. I made a raspberry and cardamom Negroni. It worked. I thought maybe we'll try it with the chocolate, and it was lovely. Hi, Em. So we are going to start with 40 milliliters of my latest favorite. As you can tell, getting down to the bottom, I'm going to need to grab another bottle of that from the distillery tomorrow. So 40 milliliters of real raspberry and cardamom. For those that don't know, there are about 30 raspberries in every bottle of our real raspberry and cardamom. That is not artificial flavor or not artificial color. That is a beautiful infusion of real raspberries. Yeah. My brain is not fully connected today, so I'm going to lose my train of thought a couple of times. Okay, next going in is 30 milliliters of our chocolate liqueur. Hi, Nellie, my cousin from Vegas, baby. What did I say, 30? 30 ml of chocolate liqueur. Doing 20 ml of sweet vermouth. We're slowly going down in amounts. And we are going to use the Antica formula today. Oh, thanks, Em. So, how many did I say? 20 ml. Antica. And 15 ml of the Campari. So, would you call that a Negroni? I call it a Negroni-ish. Ish. It's lovely. Not lovely-ish. It's lovely. All right. That's everything in. Simple stirred down cocktail. Going to get ice. And I'm going to stir that down. Negroni-ish is a new cocktail, is it? Only the best vermouth. It is one of the best vermouths, absolutely. So yesterday, before we did our live last night, the name of the cocktail, Nellie, is it's a spin on a Negroni. Just went to try and the code doesn't work. Okay, try FS 2020. Free shipping, FS 2020. I think I gave you an outdated code. Sorry about that. So yesterday we did an event with our good friends at the Gin to My Tonic, and we saw all sorts of familiar faces and other distillers, and it made me really, really miss you guys. I get tired at events. I get a little grumpy sometimes in between events, but after almost a year of not doing any, I miss being on the road with my friends. I miss the other distillers. I miss Em and Paul and their whole team. So we cannot wait to get on the road again. And I think that is stirred down enough now. Where's my glass? Going to strain it into a rocks glass or old-fashioned glass over a single sphere of ice. Beauty. And since it's raspberry and cardamom gin, and I feel like having a garnish tonight, I'm just gonna throw a single raspberry in just to make it pretty. And there you go, there's my chocolate raspberry Negroni-ish. Oh, thanks, Em. It is good. I've made this once before. Oh, yeah, it's perfect. Last time I put in 20 ml of Campari, and it overpowered everything a little bit, because the other things in there are a little more delicate than a traditional Negroni. So, yeah, 15 ml, it's perfect. Do you want to try a sip, John Cherry?
Yeah,
or are you still...
get something warm on my feet.
John's going to try it after he gets something warm on his feet. It's very, very cold at our distillery, Portland Works, this time of year. It's an old steel works. So coming home, we have to defrost. Looks delish. It is. I wasn't sure if you would think so, because it's got some non-traditional ingredients. I don't know if you're keen on the raspberry one. It's not a sweet raspberry gin, but yeah, it works. It works really well, and the chocolate adds to it.
There we go.
Say hello.
Hey guys.
Oh,
That's
it's
nice.
nice, right? It works. Cool. It's pink,
That's
but it's
with the
not
raspberry,
sweet.
isn't
It's raspberry. Yes, it's the first time I've used the raspberry so far. 7 cocktails, and it's the first time my favorite gin has come out. It is my favorite lately.
I was really surprised the first time you did that how well it actually worked.
Yeah, I think the cardamom really helps make it Negroni-ish. So we're calling it a Negroni-ish. Em has declared that it is officially a cocktail, and she says hello, and Martin says hello. Cool. I think that's it for tonight. I'm tired. I'm going to go to bed soon, and I'm only making one cocktail, and we're definitely going to share
the
it.
next batch of raspberry tomorrow.
We are. Oh, we're starting the infusion.
Yeah.
We're going to have to wrap a warm blanket around it so we can get it done fast.
Yeah, in the winter, the raspberry can take up to about 3 weeks to infuse.
But we're
It's
going to
so cold.
see what we can do
Got,
to speed up that process, because we're down to...
Grandma's electric blanket. Problem is, if you heat it up too quickly, it evaporates the alcohol off. So.
But it needs to be warmer than freezing. I'll drink that like pop. You will. Excellent. Nellie, my cousin, says hello. And need more cardamom. Oops, drank it all. And a fancy ice cube ball maker. That's Chris Brooks. Well, Chris, you know where we are. Put your order in. And maybe we'll save you a bottle of the raspberry and cardamom, but we're running low. Cool. Anybody else? Anybody else? Bye, Veronica. See you tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in. I love this. I feel like I'm reconnecting with all sorts of people.
Is that Veronica Mariana?
It is, yes. Questioning her Canadian roots. She's got one of them. What, the ice ball makers? I'll be recreating this, guys. Excellent. Thank you, Carrie. Em, post a picture if you do. That will be lovely. Cool. All right. Bye, everybody. Oscar Garcia just joined. Sorry. We're tuning out now, Oscar. I've been enjoying watching your videos, though, too.
Yeah, watch it on catch up or repeat or whatever it is on.
Yes, I will post it right after I say goodbye, and we will see you again tomorrow. Heated blanket, yes. Night, night. See you tomorrow.
See you later, guys.
Bye.